Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights. Today, we'll go through all the stocks one by one, and we'll see what market is holding for us today. Straight to S&P 500, we are still bullish on the market. There is a more upside left, but we will not take the short position yet. As long as we have this green candle right here, this green candle, next candle, and this is the 9 EMA, the purple line. Unless the first candle open and closes below this one, there is no point shorting the market at 625, where I'll be happy to short the market at 618 after the confirmation. Okay. So once the price drop below 9 EMA, we'll be taking a short position on the S&P 500. Not yet. Just wait and watch. Watch for the next candle, but dump is coming in the market. As I have been saying for the last couple of days, supply has weakening and it has ended. This was the last supply. Next one will be like disaster. So continue watching. Keep an eye on the S&P 500. No short position yet, but be ready for that. Moving forward to SMCI, our two price target has been hit. The first price target was 47. Second price target was 50.82. We have hit both the price target. We are continue holding our $65 short put for January 2026, which is in profit. Okay, we'll continue hold that. Let the theta take over slowly. Okay. Because we have not invested anything in that, it's a short put. We have collected the premium over $20.95 to $2,095 per contract. So we are good to hold on this one. There will be a little bit of correction in this one and then bounce up. So we will hold that $65 short put along with a 39 long put. Any drop comes, that's why we have a spread, $39 long put in this one and 65 short. So any drop comes, $39 put will print the money, and 69 we are looking to take the assignment of that stock. Okay, or even if it goes worthless in January, we are happy with that. Okay, so says two price target has been hit. Moving forward to Tempest, TEMP, Tempest AI, we have triple short leveraged position. We are green all across. We will continue holding our position in this one. We are looking for first price target around 74, 75 area, right here, all-time high. After the breakout of this one, we are looking at 118. I'm not sure I'll be holding my trade all the way to 118, but we will decide once the price reach around 75 area what to do. After today briefing, I have something interesting to share, so stay tuned. Okay. Moving forward to ISRG, the company is reporting earnings on 22nd of July after the market close. I'm super bearish on this one. We are looking for a drop towards 491, 498 area, right in this area, right where. If you are holding ISRG, make sure you have 100 share and you go covered deep in the money, because this stock will drop on the earning. So if you look at upside, what's going on here? So this trend line coming from the high to the lower high, another lower high, another lower high. Every time the price is coming to this trend line is getting rejected, and recent rejection will pull it down. Now we have a TEMA negative right in this area. So what we need to watch, the first point we are watching the 200 EMA right here, 514 area. If this hold 514 like this one, then there is a possibility there is a squeeze in this, like this one, like here in this triangle, symmetrical triangle in this area. If the price holds 200 EMA and squeeze in symmetrical triangle like this right here, then it will break out upside. If it failed to hold 200 EMA right in this area, then the price will drop into 497, 491 area. As soon as this drops, we are not, it's not a bad stock. Okay, we are looking to add a position, but we don't want to buy right here. We want to add a position right into 491, 492, 495 area, right in that area we want to buy, and then ride all the way to $600, $700 upside. This is what I'm looking at. If you look at this demand right here, this is the kind of repetition we are looking right in this area from here. So if I show you, this is where the market will make the parallel channel. Something in this area. This is what we are looking to trade. You see that? Now this clearly makes you a channel. So drop right in here and then bounce another high. Take down these two, break the trend out, and then retest from the top again, and then shoot up to the third point. So if I give you the wave, this is how something it should behave. So right here, come down here, go back, okay, right here, retest the trend line from the top, and then break out, something like that. You see that? So this is what we are expecting. So drop here, come down in this area, liquidity swap of this point, this big wick, take down all these buyer and their stop loss, which is standing at 498.27. Stop loss triggered, liquidity sweep, shoot up all the way to 584, 590 area, and then correction, and then up. Okay, so this is the pattern we are looking at. ISRG, we are bearish on earning, but we'll be watching 200 EMA closely, what's going to happen. Moving forward to Mara, very interesting. I'm holding share, like bulk share, like 20,000 in one account, 400 in one account, and there is another 1,500 some in one account. What I'm looking to do, I'm looking to adjust my trade. I have a $22 covered call on 19th September. What I'm looking, my share is in profit all across, but my covered call is in loss. So what I'm looking to do here, I will dump my share today at 9:30 precise. All my share I'll be dumping. Why? Because I have hit second price target. First price target was 17.24. Second price target was 19.55. There is a third price target, which is $22.82, but I will not hold for that. We have reached to a certain level of previous fractal, lower of the highest candle in the trend right here. This is very, very important. When you look at the top candle, this candle, and the bottom of this candle is very important. Where we are right now, right here. So we have reached to this area. We have reached where the sell-off can trigger on Mara. Okay. So what I'll be doing, I'll be dumping my share, hold the cash, the entire position I'll convert into cash. But because I have a covered call, which will be converted into naked call, short call, what I will do, I will go and add in the money call for $15, $14 against the $22 call. I will still be in trade. If it continue going up to a 22, I'll still be making more money. However, I will bring almost 60 to 70% of my position into cash in my account. Only 30% of amount will be invested in the long call. What happens on 19th of September? Let's say the price doesn't go up. I will exercise my $15 call, which will again give me the share of price what I'm selling today, and $22 call will expire worthless. This is how you play around when you are stuck with a covered call. Okay, moving forward to MSTR. We have been always bullish since 254. Clear breakout. We are looking for 470.58. We are almost there. We are reaching to that first price target of 430.35. Second price target 470.58. So we are looking at 470.58. Then we will start shorting MST.X. Till then, we are just watching. Our MST.X is going up, and we will be looking to exit off this trade around 470.58. Moving forward to RIVN. I have interesting story here. Okay, then I'll be explaining. Let's go to Tesla first. Okay, so what's going on the Tesla? We have 291, which was, I have mentioned in almost every video. 291.03 is a crucial support line right here. If the Tesla hold 291.03, we are bullish, and this stock will bounce toward 321 and even maximum towards 390. Maximum 390. Again, at 390, it will dump big time. Okay, but right now, bounce of 200 EMA, we are looking at 321 first price target. We are scalping on Tesla continuously. We are not holding a long position except TSLA. Okay, so it's a perfect scalping area all the way to 321. Then next price target 339, 357, and 390. Keep scalping upside. Okay, right now, perfect support line of 291 and 200 EMA bounce. So we are good with, we are bullish on this side. Unless it dropped 291, we are bullish. Okay. When I said dropped my position at 355.59, since then I was bearish, and this tank came right here. This thing, it dropped. So it's dropped. Now I'm bullish on Tesla as long as it holds 291.03. Okay. Moving forward to Wix. We are looking for a Wix to bounce, to increase over the next coming days. Okay, it should go up towards 27.98. Market will correction. Market S&P 500 will go through correction. Wix will shoot up. This is what we are looking at. Moving forward to Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is going crazy. Okay, I was not expecting this breakout right here. To be honest, I was expecting this channel right here. When we were trading in this area, this one, I was looking for a drop, the third lower point, point number 1, point number 2, and the third lower point. However, the market behaves in the same way. Market will, if the market need to create a bull trap, market will create Bull trap at all-time high. Market will not create the bull trap here because there is no bull trap when the price is under the previous high. Bull trap is always at the all-time high, and market will take all these greedy people. Market is trading in extreme greed. Look at the RSI, overbought. Look at the death cross is about to appear on the MACD. Look at the breakout. Okay, everything is pointing that these people will pay big time. There will be a lot of bag holder all across the board, be it S&P 500, be it stock market, be it crypto. A lot of bag holder will be created. Okay, this breakout is unjustified. It should not break out this one, which 117, 120 area. Okay, it's not that I'm not bullish on Bitcoin. I'm looking for 139,000, then 171,000, and even $193,000 this year. Okay, maximum 193, but 171 is doable, I think. Within next 90 days, I was looking for $139,000. I mentioned multiple times. 139 is most likely the Bitcoin to hit within next 90 days. Okay, but this breakout need to fail at some point. Okay. Moving forward, we are almost all cryptos, our position except Doge and Shiba, we are in profit. ICP, we are sitting in profit. Our break-even is 492. Right now it's trading at 550. We are in profit. Continue holding for 826, $8.26. We are not closing our position. Moving forward, Solana, we are in profit. Our break-even is 142.80. Right now trading at 165.82. We have a clear breakout of the trend line. Upside, Tima is bullish. We'll continue holding our position. Ride all the way to 186. That's the first point with another $21 upside, and then we'll be looking to close the Solana position. Now, the interesting thing I was talking about is here. So we bought Cardano right here at 51 cents, probably the precise bottom we caught. Okay, right here. You see that? We bought at 0.0531 right here. And I closed my position of Cardano yesterday. 15 cents, which is 31.8% profit in under 9 days. What's the harm here closing a position? So there is this guy, someone who is following me on StockTwitch. He came, commented 68 roughly. Now it has gone to 72. And that's a bad psychology. When I opened a position at 0.51, I clearly mentioned there's the price target that I'll be monitoring. I have no problem buying Cardano at 75 and then ride it to 86 cents. But at 68, it's a make or break point of the falling wedge neckline. I have to exit my position. Right now, Cardano is trading at 74. So he is complaining, oh, because you said sell, I lost 6 cents. That's a really bad psychology. That's why people keep holding bags in the market. If we are looking at entry at 0.51 right here at this point, we are the only group in the world that caught the bottom at 51.34. And we exit at 68 right here at 200 EMA. There was a falling wedge, this wedge. Okay. 200 EMA possible rejection right here. So we take out our position. We did not close Internet Computer. We did not close Doge. We did not close Ondo. We did not close Shiba Inu. We did not close Avalanche. We did not close Dogecoin. We did not close ARB. We did not close GRD. We did not close Habar. We have held a position in crypto, but is one chart telling me something that, hey, there is a possible 200 EMA rejection right here. I must exit that position. You do not continue your train ride after your destination. That's a bad, worse psychology. It takes years to train your psychology that when to exit. I'm happy to buy Cardano at 75 instead of holding from 68 to 75. I did 31% in 9 days. I'm happy with that. What's the problem? Now, I'll tell you why I am sharing this. Now so you understand what's going on here. Now I'll show you RIVN, which we missed the coverage. So we have this position right here at 1265, right? We all took the position in the group at 1265. Our first price target is 1520, which is Fibonacci golden level. Second price target is 1715. Third price target 22.82. Okay. But if my entry is 1265 right here in this wick, if I can catch the bottom of the stock right here in 1265 and I exit my position in advance, I'm telling you, $17.15, I will close my RIVN. Okay. If after the 17, the price goes to 22.82, which I already know that it will go. Okay. What's the harm if I exit at 17.15? I already know where I need to exit. After that, if RIVN goes to 100, it's none of my business. That's how you train your mind in stock markets. If you do not exit at 17.15 and from 17.15 you have a rejection and drop back to 15 area, then you have nothing else but regret that, oh, why I did not take an exit at 17. That's why training your psychology, fixing your brain that, okay, I'm happy with 1265 to 17.15. That is $5 per share with $20,000. It's $100,000 profit. Why do you need more? You need to reach to a level that, okay, I will buy at this level, I'll exit at this level. And once my price target is hit, I must exit the position. Doesn't matter how high it can go. You do not need to trade all the cent from bottom cent to the top dollar. It's not possible. No one has ever done that. Everybody exit at certain level. Some people will exit 200 EMA. Some people will exit at resistance. Some people will exit at trend line. Some people will hold after 200 EMA breakout. Everybody has a different strategy. Okay. So my exit on RIVN will be 17.15, and I will not hold my position after that. So that's what I was telling. If Cardona, I closed my position at 0.68, I took a right decision, especially when the market is all-time high. Okay. Now let's move forward to some requests today. J&J. All right. Johnson & Johnson. It's a slow stock. First of all, if you're holding, it's a stock that you want to hold in all your retirement kind of accounts. Not it's a trading account. Okay, very slow. I have seen it. I personally don't trade it. If I run the numbers on this one, let me see what Bloomberg Terminal says. All right, so right now it's trading at 157. There is only $2 upside from here. The first price target 159.65. So definitely there is a little bit more upside. We have a clear breakout of 200 EMA. We have a theme of bullish. We have a little bit upside, not much here. Okay, so what we are looking at maximum around this point right here, right at this area. So this 160.97. So there is few dollar upside. If you're looking to open a position on J&J, it's not the right point to buy, because you should have purchased in this area, right in this area. Equal low, the next equal, the higher low, lower high, this one. So this was your entry. This is where you enter, not here when the green candle. This is the time, if I'm holding a position, I will book profit and I will exit, and I will not buy it right now. Okay. I'll wait for a little bit of correction towards 150 area before I add another position, like $7 drop, which is not much, but it's a slow stock. If you are you don't expect, there is not a lot of volatility in this one. If you see that it has been in this area for like long time. So there are better opportunities, I think, than this one. Probably like stock like Adobe, UNH, and then you have Accenture. So focus on those kind of stock than J&J. Another one, someone want to know, Arcat, who is that? Red Cat Holding. All right, I know this stock. I traded a long back. All right, so what we are looking at, we have a clear breakout of trend line right here. This could have been my entry. Try to identify the entry. This is where I buy the stock. This is where I buy the stock. You see this trend line? First higher point, lower high, shooting star, drop, shooting star, drop, continuously same pattern, another shooting star, drop, 3-time drop, right here, breakout of the trend line. If I needed to buy Red Cat and I'm monitoring the stock, this is the point I will buy right here, right here. When the price crosses 200 EMA, okay, golden cross above 200 EMA and a breakout of a trend line. I could have purchased this stock at 569 and exit right at the neckline, right here at 795. So from 565 to 795, I will not even hold for this area. Okay, now let's look at what it's holding the card now. All right, Red Cat. All right, so what we are looking at, all right, maximum it could shoot up towards 949. I will not open the position right here. Okay, if I need to buy, I will look for at least below this point, right in the 569, 560 area and below. If I need to buy, open a new position now, look for 569 and below. Okay, if you are in loss. If you're holding a position in loss right now, around 569, you should average out. If you are, what do we say, just added a position, better you exit the position at break even and then wait for 569. This is the area that you want to buy right here, the previous low, right in this area, liquidity sweep area, right here, 558 area. This is where you want to buy and ride all the way to $9.49, right in the Fibonacci area, right here. Above the POC line is definitely, it will go up. So it's, but right now it's bearish, okay? It's going down. If you see the TIMA bearish cross, so 200 EMA, you should be looking right here at 619, 620 area. This should be your watch out point, and anything further drop, you keep buying and average out and exit all the position around 949. So 949, all position exit of market. All right. So, all right. So do we have anything else? Yes, we have HIMS to cover, and this is the last one. All right. HIMS, so there's a little bit of drop right now. You see that? But this is the region of overall market. If you look at here, I've been saying the market will sell off almost every single day. Market will sell off, and this is the result. This is where the market is today, all across red. Never underestimate the orange man, okay? Especially when it comes to tariff. So market will sell off. Market will create a lot of bag holder in this area at the top. This is where market take down immature and new trader, those who are new to the trading, they are always be trapped at wave B. Learn wave B. Wave B top, when they are bullish. Oh, now the market is going to break out this time. We will take down the all-time high. And this is where the wave B is the dangerous one for all the new trader. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see all the Discord member in the group with more precise details. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day.